Hey guys, today I am going to show you how I made this edit. It is super easy to make in CapCut. You don't even need CapCut Pro, just normal CapCut. So without wasting any more time, let's start the tutorial. So first, connect your VPN and then import your clips in CapCut. Add the audio you want. Click on Audio, then Beats, then Generate Beats. After that, adjust your clips according to the audio. Clips should change on every beat except the starting clip. Now freeze the second clip. And put it in overlay and adjust it like this. Then go in Remove BG and click Auto Removal to remove background. Now add keyframes on the starting and ending of the overlay. Make the car small in the starting keyframe. Then go to Graph Setting and select Flow 2. Now you just made a car slam. Now click on Effects, then Video Effects, and add Shake. Adjust it like this. Click on Object and switch to all videos. Then add 3 keyframes, in starting, middle, and ending of the effect. Adjust its intensity and speed like this. Then duplicate the effect and add it to every clip. The middle keyframe should be starting of the clip. Then make another slam in the second main beat. Lastly, add fade-out animation in the last clip. Now our edit is ready. Export the video and enjoy your edit. So guys, I hope you liked the video and subscribe this channel for more tutorials.